So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel. So a brief introduction about me, myself Alisha Khan from IIT Jammu. My All India rank in IIT-JAM examination was 842 and in CUET PG it was 129. So let's move on ahead to know what all things you can approach for your upcoming examination IIT-JAM 2026. So this year we very well know that IIT-JAM 2026 examination will be conducted on 15th of Feb 2026, and almost from now we have only 1 month left for it, right? So what all strategies you should follow for this time being? So first of all, let's come up to the syllabus part. So I am going to share my way of studying during these last days and what all topics I have covered. So if you have time, or if you have if you're stronger in another topics, you can go for it. Okay, I'm just telling my 60% syllabus which I covered during these days, so better if you follow it in order to get at least an IIT. Okay, so let's move on to the chapter wise weightage. So first of all, we're talking about the organic part. So here I have covered the stereochemistry, which is of the highest weightage. Then reagents I have skipped, name reaction I have skipped, biomolecules, GOC, organic, spectroscopy, pericyclic and heterocyclic chemistry. I have done these topics only, which I have marked. Okay, so according to the weightage, what you have to do is you have to revise these chapters, and after the revision you better do the PYQs, and after the PYQs you solve few more questions from any kind of YouTube channel which has released their marathon series like Ved Prep Chem Academy and also Physics Wala. Moving on to the physical chemistry part. So here I have completed these all chapters, so you can just pause this video and you can take the screenshot of them. So this is a very amazing approach how to cover up your syllabus during these days. So you just have to go through all these topics weightage wise only, and please remember to do all the PYQs related to these topics. Okay, so better if you not leave them. You can leave here solid gaseous state because these are not of that much weightage. I have also left them, okay, during my jam. Surface chemistry is also not that important. Okay, so go weightage wise like this. Okay, then do as many questions as you can, and better if you solve chapter wise mock test rather than giving full length. Okay, this is my way of approaching. Okay, then lastly we have is the inorganic part. So better if you do all these marked topics. You can leave these. Okay, these are not that much important, so you can read this part. Okay, pause it and take a screenshot of this particular part. Okay, moving on ahead, let's come up to the syllabus part, which is really important. So if you move on to the syllabus, first of all we have in physical basic mathematical concepts, which is a very important chapter in order to boost your rank. Okay, so better if you not leave this topic. Then coming up to the physical chemistry part, we have atomic and molecular structure. So here this Heisenberg uncertainty principle is important. Okay, then Schrodinger wave equation. I think this is the most important thing. Okay, you better if you do all of them. Okay, you can leave this gaseous, liquid and solid state. These are not that much important. If you have time, you can cover them later on. Liquid is so far important, but these gaseous certain topics you can go through, but better if you not do the entire thing. Okay, so do these topics at last. Okay, then moving on ahead, we have is chemical thermodynamics, which is a very important topic. Very important. Yeah, then after that chemical thermodynamics, you can do this phase equilibrium, which is also again very important topic. Okay, this is also very important. Then we have is electrochemistry, again a very important topic. Okay, you have to cover each and every subtopic. Okay, then kinetics also, you have to do each and every subtopic very well. Okay, because these are the most high weightage. And again I'm coming back to this thing that gaseous, liquid and solid, you can do them at last, but better if you complete all the high weightage topics first. Okay, moving on ahead to the organic part. So I have only covered basic concepts in organic and stereo. I haven't done this part. during my jam preparation. Okay, then moving on to the spectroscopy, I have covered this. This is also important, and this is also important. Okay, so you can skip the reaction, this particular part where you are stuck at. So I was stuck at this reaction, name reactions part, so I have skipped it. If you're strong in it, you can go for it. Okay, but yeah, sub-Reamer time and reactions, these are common reactions, and Diels-Zelder, so you can cover them if you're comfortable with. If you have time, you can do it. Okay, then lastly we have is your inorganic chemistry. So here the periodic table, we very well know from +2. Since +2 it's a very important topic, so here in JAM also periodic table is a very high weightage topic in inorganic specifically. Then moving on ahead, I must say that these three topics are very easy, and you can cover a lot of marks by completing such chapters. Okay, so here in inorganic chemistry you can cover this periodic table, it's an important topic. Then extraction of metals is not that very important. Okay, then moving on to chemical bonding, which is a very important topic, better if you not skip it. Okay, high weightage topic, and you must cover each and every subtopic which is given here. And this time there are few new topics as I can see here. Okay, so Born-Land equation and Kapuscinski expression, Madelung constant, all these are new topics added this year. Main group elements is a very important topic again. Transition metal you must cover. Bioinorganic I have covered. Okay, it's a very scoring and easy topic. Instrumental methods of analysis I haven't covered during my preparation, and you can also cover analytical chemistry. Okay, but it's not that very important. So these last two, 4.7 and 4.8, that is instrumental method of analysis and analytical. Okay, now lastly let us see this pattern of test paper. So we very well know that JAM examination is of 3 hours, and entire paper consists of 60 questions which are of 100 marks, right? So it will be divided into 3 sections. So we have section A, section B and section C. So my approach was to cover this in round 1. First of all, do all those questions which you have covered, okay, which you feel that are really important for you, and which you feel that you're confident in. In round 1 you just have to attempt only those questions. Okay, then again go for round 2, where you have to attempt those questions in which you feel that answer could be 50-50. Okay, so how you should do it, let's move on. So in this MCQ part you have to attempt least. Okay, in the MCQ part just attempt least. Okay, then in the MSQ part what you have to do is, in round 1 you do all those questions which you feel you are confident in, and similar thing in section C as well. Attempt as much as you can. Okay, in round 2 better if you attempt all if you have time, and in section C also attempt all the questions. Okay, so in the section A you just have to pay attention. Okay, because section A consists of negative marking. Okay, which can be quite can be a disadvantage for you. So if you want to boost your rank, better if you attempt only all questions from this only. Okay, you can leave maximum question from this part. Okay, 30 may say if you can attempt 15 also, you're better. Okay, so don't worry, just toppers also don't attempt all. Okay, so don't think like that. Then better if you know entire thing, what is the negative marking and all. I think you can read here. So moving on ahead, we have the instruction parts. So you must be very much aware about your exam, what you should carry along with you. You'll be getting an online virtual calculator which will be on the right hand side of your screen. Okay, better if you do attempt such mock tests so that you can be comfortable with the desktop. Okay, then obviously mobile phones are not allowed here. Rough work ke liye you will get a small diary kind of thing or a paper. Okay, then so these all instructions you must remember. Better if you not wear anything like any jewelry or any ritual things. Okay, moving on ahead. So what you have to do now in this 1 month. Okay, so right now you should attempt only chapter wise mock test. Okay, then from the YouTube, better if you do the question practice. Okay, there are many very good channels like Ved Prep Chem Academy, Physics Wala, IAFS, and Vigyan Briksh. These are very good channels. I have also prepared from them during the last month. I have solved so many questions, and in Ved Prep especially, we have a JPL series. Okay, they will release it this year also, definitely, and also go through the PYQs almost daily. Okay, with the revision, do the PYQs, which are very very important actually. Okay, now moving on ahead, I must say that you all, if you come across this video, okay, then definitely you are preparing. Okay, and your preparation must go on well. Don't stress out. Okay, don't overthink this time. Just be well prepared with the examination thing. Okay, and just don't think that you are less than anyone. Okay, you just have to target a certain number. Okay, be it with a rank or be it with marks. Okay, so just at least 36 or 37 marks are more than enough to get a IIT, get an IIT. So just prepare well. All the very best to you all, and subscribe my channel.